Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Arabic Language Academy. In this video, I would like to present to you At Takallum Book Series. It is a new series of Arabic coursebook and the best in its field. It was only published first time in 2013. And in 2017, it received the reward of the Best Arabic Language Course Book for Foreigners from Academy of the Arabic Language, Egypt. I also purchased the book for our Islamic school in South Africa, and we are very happy with the book and with rich activities and exercises in the book. The series consists of 4 levels: التمهيدي, starter, الأساسي, elementary, قبل المتوسط, pre-intermediate, المتوسط, intermediate. All the levels come with student's book, workbook, and audio CD. The official website for the book is attakallum.com, and the website to purchase the books is burujbooks.com, and delivery will be in 8 working days with fast and secure DHL cargo. You can click on the link below the video in the description to go to websites. As I said, books come with CD as well, but today new laptops and computers don't have CD-ROM. Don't worry about that. The new version of the books has QR code for scanning and listening to audio on your smartphones. You can find the QR code on your page of the book and scan to listen to the audio. Teachers can access the teacher's guide sources by clicking on Teachers on the website. The website also has glossaries for 20 languages of the world. Click on glossaries and you will find the languages. You can click on any of them and you will find the page like this in the next page. You can view online, or you can download it as PDF, or you can print it directly. Now let's have a look inside the books briefly. The first book is a Tamhidi starter book. It has basic vocabulary for beginners and how to write Arabic letters and words, such as beautiful activities for beginners, and the second book is Al-Asasi, elementary. Elementary book consists of 8 units. Unit 1, At Ta'aruf, introduction. Al-Aila, Unit 2, family. Unit 3, Ad-Dirasa, studying. Unit 4, At-Ta'am, food. Unit 5, Al-Awqat wal-As'ar, times and currencies and prices. Unit 6, Al-Utla, holiday. Unit 7, Al-Hayatul Yawmiyya, daily life. And Unit 8, Al-Jawu wal-Malabis. It is very familiar to العربية بين يديك units. Let's see some pages from this book. Greeting and introduction in Arabic, dialogue in Arabic, and some exercises from inside the book. And the next book is قبل المتوسط, pre-intermediate. It also has 8 units. Unit 1, السفر عبر القاهرة, traveling through Cairo. Unit 2, السكن, house, living. Unit 3, الصحة, health. Unit 4, التسوق, shopping. Unit 5, العمل, working. Unit 6, أماكن للزيارة, places to visit. Unit 7 الرياضة sports and Unit 8 ذكريات memories. And some pages from inside this book, places in the city, and some activities from workbook. The series also has online version if you can't buy hard copy of the books. You can find more details on attakallum.com website.
At Takallum Online Arabic Teaching Set. Reading books and learning languages online is the new way of life and a necessity for many. We have developed At Takallum Set to meet this need. If you cannot carry or have access to printed books, we offer you the best solution. An advanced interactive version of At Takallum Online Arabic Teaching Set. At Takallum Online enables you to improve your reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills, and provides lots of exercises and immediate answers. With its user-friendly interface, you can quickly access the page or section you're looking for. With the smartboard application, you can use pens of different colors to write notes on any page. During the lesson, you can use the specially designed Arabic keyboard to fill in the spaces in words or sentences, write the required answers with or without diacritical marks, and save them for later. With the help of visual and audio elements in At Takallum Set, you can enlarge and minimize images. It is easy to listen to the required part without the need for additional programs or media. It's easy to follow your lessons wherever you are. You only need to log in with your username and password using any web browser. At Takallum Online Arabic Teaching Set is designed for both self-study and learning with a teacher. Both options offer the same visual elements and activities included in the printed version. You are just one click away from accessing this valuable set, which is used by thousands of learners in more than 100 countries around the world. What are you waiting for? Visit our website or call us now.